Alright, so I thought this was gonna work, but something went really wrong. And if you look at here, you'll notice it says the job's done. And when you look at the print, this is definitely not done. So something went really wrong in the code there, and they decided not to print the top here. There's supposed to be a hole on one side, and there's supposed to be uh, this continuation of this where there's a pokey bit, so you can attach the servo in there. But yeah, very very strange because in Cura, or in Cura, however you say that, it looked like it was going to be perfect. And if you look on this side right here, wow, this is fantastic. The print came out beautifully. So what happened in the software that really made it decide to stop? I don't know. Anyway, this is the update. I'm going to have to figure it out, and I'll see you in the next one.